Hello guys, it's been a while since I haven't uploaded any video because of some busy ongoing on my work na. But for now, I'm going to make the video about sample validation on letter only and number only, because in the previous video that I have created, some people keep on asking about how they are not able to press the backspace, or backspace is not being allowed. But in this video, I'm going to make that sample program a little more easier and explain it a bit more better. So okay, here I am with a sample validation program that I have created, and then let's start designing this first for a bit. Let's drag some label to the form, copy paste the label, and then this one. Let's change the properties of this label, or the text I mean. Let's say letter only. Okay, and the other one, let's change the text to number only. Okay, now once you have dragged or add some label, let's drag some text box now to do the things that we need to do. Copy paste that again. Okay, let's change for the name of this text box to something like this, txt letter. Okay, then the other one will be change the name to txt number. Okay, now that we have designed the form, let's do the actual coding. Now first, let's do the letter only. Click on the txt letter, and then at the properties, at the event settings, find the keypress event. Usually, okay. Now once we are in the keypress event, double click on it, and then we will go into the form1.cs, which loads the private void txt letter keypress. Now, okay, to do the actual coding. In the previous video, I used some ASCII code, but for now, I'm going to use the built-in, which is the keypress event of the E. So to do that, the letter only, let's say if car that is letter, this is the built-in method, e.kcar. We're going to set the e.handled equals to false. Oops, like that. Else e.handled equals true. Basically, this is the things that we need to do if we want our text box to allow letter only. But since people keep on asking, oh, I can able to type letter only, but my backspace is not working. So to solve the problem about the backspace, we're going to add another condition here, which is the e.kcar equals to 8. Okay, and that's it. To test if it's working, let's proceed on it. Okay, as you can see, I can type letter, I can type backspace, I mean space, but I am allowed to press the backspace. Number is not allowed also. So our code is working, but you can still simplify this kind of program. We're going to use the if-else shorthand of this. So to make this code a little bit simpler, we're going to use this e that handled equals to car that is ladder e dot k car or e dot k car is equals to 8. Then if the statement is true, we're going to return false, otherwise we're going to return true. So basically this one is almost, or let's say similar to this one, and this is what we call the if-else shorthand. Okay, and let's test if it's working. I'm going to remove that one, then run the program again. Okay, can type letter, but I can type number, and I'm allowed to use the backspace. Okay, now let's go back to the form design and do the number only. Now go again into the properties, click on the events, find the key press, and click on it. Okay, similar to what we have done into the txt letter, we're going to use this one, e that handle equals to car. Since this is for the number, is number, that's what we are going to use. There are other things that we can also use in this one. It is digit, it's letter or digit, it's number, slow surrogate, but I'm not going to explain those other things because that's not part of our video. Then is number, e dot k car or e dot k car equals to 8, and then we're going to return false, and then otherwise if false, true. Okay, and that's it. This is the simplified version. If you are only, or if you want to allow also the enter or the space, you need to find the k car value of it. From what I remember, the e that k car of space is 13. So if you want to allow 13 also, let's add another condition, e that k car was to 13. So let's test our program. Okay, it seems that 13 is not the keycar of space, or let's say, yeah, it's not, because 13 is for enter. Oh, my apology about that. I'm not going to add this anymore. I forgot the keycar value of space. But if you want to do that, you can just go on in this and find the ASCII table. If you want to find about the keycar of space, oh, it's 32. Go into the decimal, which is the one, 32. So let's go back to our program and add that space to finish it. E dot keycar equals to 32. Now let's check again our program, run it, and let's see if we are allowed to press the space bar or again. Okay, I can allow space, I can type number, I can use backspace, but I can type letter. Okay, and that's it, guys, and I hope this ends about the letter validation or number validation, about keep on asking about backspace anymore. So glad Hope you like it, guys, and if you think the video is helpful, you can subscribe to my channel. And thanks again for watching, guys, and goodbye.